Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you guys this very yummy suya recipe. Please relax and watch till the very end. To make this suya we need some form of meat. Over here I have some turkey breast already sliced into very thin layers. You can use any type of meat. Some people use chicken or beef or goat meat or even fish. We also have fish suyas, okay? But over here I have turkey breast already cut into very thin slices. In some places this is called skewers, maybe turkey skewers or kebab, but here we call it suya because of this very local and secret ingredient called suya spice. So I'm going to pour in this suya spice into this bowl of meat and I'm going to mix everything together. I also added some olive oil just to help the suya spice to adhere to the meat. The suya spice is made with peanut powder and enough hot pepper, like a very large amount of hot pepper and some other local herbs and seasonings. It tastes so good, but it's very spicy. So mix everything together, rub in the suya pepper until it is well incorporated. We also added some seasoning powder into this meat and mixed everything together. Sometimes the suya spice is not well seasoned, so you have to also add some form of seasoning to the meat before you pour in the pepper. And we also added some chopped onions, some minced onions, just to give it this very good onion aroma. And over here everything is well mixed and it's time to trade the turkey breast into the skewers. So over here are the skewers that I'm going to use. I'm going to apply some oil on the sticks just so that the meat doesn't stick to it after they are done. So now I'm going to trade in the turkey breast gradually into the skewers. You can do any quantity you want. If you want, you can just do 1 or 2, or you can just do as much as you want. Some people also like to add some vegetables like bell peppers to their skewers, but at this point I'm just going to keep it traditional, which is the original suya that we know. We don't add bell peppers to the original suya we make back home, so I'm just trying to stick to the original recipe. This is what we have at this point, and I'm going to sprinkle some more suya pepper on top of the skewers, and it's going to give it this very crispy finish. I love the suya so much, guys. Like, this particular recipe was something else. It was so good. After that, I allowed it to marinate for about 1 hour. Then I transferred into my oven. I broiled for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is what we have now, guys. This tasted so good. It was so crispy outside and very soft inside. I so much enjoyed filming this video, and I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from it. This suya can be used as appetizer at your parties. You can give it to your friends. You can just make it in bulk and store in your freezer and use as snack. This is so good. You can also use it in your salad. Just cut it into tiny chunks and mix in your salad. It is so good, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.